this is just another reason why I love investing in real estate over the stock market. If you haven't heard the news about the Robinhood investing app, go educate yourself, go do some research. They made it so you could not essentially invest in AMC stock. And so it's about, for me, it's about having control over my investments. And, yeah, I'm in the real estate business. So I think a lot of the feedback or the argument that I get is like, well, Brandon, you're in the business. You know what deals to look for. You understand it better. Well, that may be so, but here's the deal. Even somebody who is not in real estate, they're not a real estate agent, they still have control over the asset. They still have control over the decisions that are being made with a potential rental investment property. Unlike the stock market, it was just, this is concrete evidence that you have zero control. You talk about not having control before with what happens with the stock market. Well, now we know with 100% certainty that that these stocks are being manipulated, that Wall Street has 100% control over what happens with your money, whether that be good or bad. And so, again, I think that it's important that you go and educate yourself about what happened with the Robinhood app, because it's crazy, right? So, I mean, it's absolutely insane. I'm reading some of the article right now, but it's really, really scary that this type of thing can happen. And this is why I would prefer that when you have money and you think about an investment standpoint, there's so many benefits to investing in residential real estate rental properties, okay? First off, and I won't go down the rabbit hole too deep, but control being the most important thing with what's happening with your money. Number two is the returns. I mean, there's not a financial planner on earth or stockbroker or that can compete with the returns that I get on my residential real estate rental properties that I help some of my students and some of my clients do. I mean, when I'm getting a 20, 25%, 30% cash on cash return, I used to have financial planners, all over me. Put your money in the stock market, Brandon. You got to diversify. And then I would show them what's happening with my residential real estate portfolio. And quickly the tides turned immediately. They started asking me for advice as to how they can get into the real estate game, how they can start investing in real estate. And I said, wait a minute. You just came here to tell me that I need to put all my money in the stock market. You're the money person. You're supposed to be the expert. And in 2 seconds, I just changed your entire philosophy on money. I mean, listen, I just don't buy into it. I mean, for years and years and years and years, I've been saying this to my friends, to my family. I just don't trust the stock market. I don't trust the stock market. I'd rather control my money. I can go drive over to the house, check on the condition, talk to the tenant, make decisions about repairs, decide, from an application standpoint, what happens with that property moving forward into the future. I mean, that's what I would prefer. I'm not going to just give my money, get blindfolded, give it to Wall Street and trust that Wall Street is going to do what is right for me. I'm just not going to do it. What do you guys think about this? In the comment section, let's have a conversation. I'll hang out a little bit after I upload this video to YouTube. I'm curious to get your thoughts on whether or not you can still trust apps like Robinhood or not. Can you trust the stock market? Will you continue to pour your life savings into this mechanism? Or are you thinking about real estate as a potential investment? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys soon.